The transformation of the Dream House by JINGU Phoenix Space Planning Organization is a testament to how a home can evolve while preserving the essence of its memories. For over a decade, the client and his family have lived in this apartment. The design team approached the transformation with sensitivity, maintaining the original simplicity of the space while modernizing it to meet the family's new needs. Each piece in the home tells a story, from the abstract painting resting on a low platform, depicting scenes of a bustling market, to the Indian lacquered cabinet outside the study, with its diverse light hues and exotic charm. These elements, though distinct in style and origin, find harmony in the inclusive design of the space. It's a home where memories, dreams, and the present coexist, blending effortlessly into a sanctuary of personal history and future aspirations. The Dream House is not just a residence. It's a reflection of a life well lived, where every corner holds meaning and every room invites new possibilities. In the living room, the client sought a space for family interaction, not just passive activities like watching TV. The solution was a long table placed at the center, surrounded by a mix of American country-style fabric sofas, traditional rattan chairs, and a leather bench. This eclectic arrangement invites conversation, relaxation, and moments of quiet reflection. Whether for tea, reading, or simply enjoying each other's company, the living room became a hub for togetherness, fostering a sense of closeness among the family in a way that felt both intentional and organic. The kitchen, now a brighter and more inviting space, was expanded towards the garden to capture more natural light. The translucent glass ceiling framed in aluminum alloy brings a contemporary touch, while the white kitchen cabinets and microcrystal tile walls create a clean, serene environment. Light flows effortlessly from the garden into the dining and kitchen area, where glimpses of the lush greenery add to the space's calming atmosphere. The designers carefully ensured that the connection between the indoors and outdoors remained seamless, preserving the client's deep connection to the garden. The once limited bedroom and bathroom arrangement was ingeniously reconfigured into 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, without compromising the overall layout of the home. To bring warmth and depth, white arched surfaces with textured paint were added, polished to reflect the interplay of light and shadow. This subtle touch brightened the once dim living room, infusing it with an airy quality that brought the interior in harmony with the natural beauty of the garden outside. Surrounded by the plants in their beloved outdoor garden, which spans over 100 square meters. This garden holds sentimental value, a place where the family's dreams have taken root, much like the greenery that has grown alongside them. As their family expanded, the need for additional space arose, prompting a careful renovation that would honor both the history and the future of this cherished home. dream house is more than just a renovation. It's a reflection of cherished memories, personal growth, and new beginnings. With thoughtful design, spaces were reimagined to bring light, warmth, and connection into every corner, while honoring the family's past. Each room tells a story, blending the old with the new, and creating a sanctuary where life, love, and dreams continue to flourish. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring transformations and unique architectural designs. Until next time, may your own space always be a place where memories live and dreams take flight.